If you've been struggling with staying consistent, today we'll be diving into the hidden benefits of posting consistently, which no one really talks about. So if you're ready, let's get started. The first one is building momentum and audience trust. So consistency is not just about showing up, it's about building momentum. When you post regularly, you are building your audience to always expect content from you. And this builds trust. Your audience will begin to see you as a reliable person. And trust me, this platform is very competitive, so trust is very priceless. Viewers are likely to subscribe when they know that they can count on you for fresh content. Your consistency sends a signal to people that you are committed to creating value, and that will make them stick around. The second one is algorithm love. You probably heard a million times that posting consistently helps the YouTube algorithm. Yes, this is true. And here's the hidden fact. YouTube will start pushing your content more often because you are feeding it what it wants, right? They make their money through people posting content on the platform. So when you post consistently, they will push out your content more often. Regular content tells YouTube that your channel is active and it is worth promoting. As you keep posting, your videos show up more in search, recommended feeds, and even notifications. That means more views, more engagement, and a higher chance of going viral. The third one is perfecting your craft. Now, this is the benefit that many people overlook. When you post often, you keep perfecting your craft because each video you post will teach you a lesson on how to be better on the next video. The more videos you make, the better you become at scripting, at editing, and even your thumbnail designs. Just for example, if you are the type that likes going to the gym, you don't see results just one day of going to the gym. Over time, you see the results. That's the same thing with YouTube. So if you're not posting consistently and you are expecting results, then you have not started at all. But the moment you start posting consistently, trust me, in a matter of a short while, you will start seeing results. Every video you create is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become better. You start noticing what works and what doesn't work, and very soon you will discover a unique style of creating content that resonates with your audience. The fourth one is building a library of content. Another hidden benefit is that you are building a library of content that is valuable to others. This is gold. Why? Because each video you post works for you in the background. Years from now, people will still find that video and they will still love it, and they will still subscribe just because of a particular video that you have posted. Over time, your library of videos will begin to bring views, engagement, and even more money to you even while you're sleeping. My next point is boosting confidence and discipline. One of the underrated benefits is that posting consistently builds more confidence in you. You feel more confident, you feel less nervous because it's something that you are doing every time. It's not that you have posted once last month or twice last month and you have given a lot of gap again, but because you are doing it, you already have an upload schedule, you are doing it over and over and over again. So there is no way you will not get better at it. There is no way you will not be confident even in talking in front of the camera. The more you create, the less daunting it becomes for you. Plus, you are also building discipline, which is YouTube's strategy of a long-term success. When you're committed to a schedule, you separate yourself from creators that get tired and give up along the way. When you're committed to a schedule, you develop a mindset that separates you from other creators that quit when it gets tough, and this is what keeps pushing you forward. Remember, consistency compounds. So if you have not been posting consistently, try it out now and see how it's going to reward you in the long run. So if you have found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more growth tips, and please turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you in my next video, bye for now.